At 865FabLab, every big project starts with a small proof of concept. Before producing our 4-foot event Igloo, we tested the design on a 2-foot prototype. Our CNC foam cutter with rotary turntable lets us create precise domes, spheres, and tunnels. We designed the Igloo in Onshape and shared a live model link with the client for real-time feedback. The result: a perfect test model that confirmed proportions, tunnel size, and fit before full-scale production. From digital design to physical form, 865FabLab brings creative ideas to life. You can visit 865FabLab.com to see the full project. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us by phone or email. You can also use our live chat feature for immediate help. Thanks for watching. If your next project needs creative LED lighting, visit us at Wired for Signs USA for more lighting tips and guides.